I've been getting a lot of packages lately, so I have been using this box cutter pretty much on a daily basis. I really like this box cutter. Now the surface is kind of matte material, but it still feels smooth. It still has a very nice structure. It's not over smooth to the point where you feel like it's gonna slide off your fingers. So it has that very light texture to it. It has a really pretty color. And one thing I love about this box cutter is that this slider is so easy to use. It doesn't require a lot of force, and I really like the plastic-ish padding right there. It's really gentle on my fingers, so I really like that. To replace the blade, it's also really easy. You simply unscrew this screw right here, and then you'll be able to lift up the top and replace the inner blade. And this comes with 10 replacement blades. And here are the replacement blades. I have already opened up mine. So far, I'm really happy with this box cutter, and we'll see how long it holds up.